All right, so day number 1. Say hello, everybody. We're a little bit excited because we got a couple of new gear that we want to try out. We got this 23-0 swag tent for the wife and I to keep us cozy. And the girls are going to be using the rooftop tent as usual. Got the diesel heater all hooked up. Found this beautiful place out here. Out by a place called Red Canyon. So I found this spot using Onyx. Now Onyx is not paying me to talk about them. I'm just sharing with you guys, the viewers, those who follow us on our trips. I'm started to use Onyx a lot, and it really helped me to find this spot here in particular, because I can search out a lot of the trails that have been recorded, and I can do my research on those coordinates and use Google Earth to look at what the area looks like before I even arrive there. And I found this one, and this is a really great spot. When we got here, there was already a fire ring with a couple of rocks around, so we knew it was a perfect campground because someone has been here before, and it is just beautiful. What are we making today?
Well, I prepared some barbecue pulled chicken, and I had made it at home, and then I froze it so that we could bring it. I just have to thaw it out, warm it up, and serve it. So
Yeah, it was a great idea because you just throw it in the pan and it's ready to go.
Thawing out and warming up a little bit. It'll be great later.
So we have done a lot of trial and error with our kitchen setup and just getting things ready at camp, a quick deployment and a quick put away, and we've tried to minimize and better organize our stuff. And right now we're liking it so far. Super fast to deploy, under 5 minutes. My daughter Abigail deployed that one all by herself. And we finally got fire starters, right? To help us start the fire today. Help us stay warm. All right, so we are on day number 2 of our trip. We just left our campsite from New Mexico and now we're headed to Arizona, and we found a good spot at the top of the canyon, and we're really looking forward to it because it is one of those epic spots that are just once in a lifetime opportunities, and that's where we're headed now. So if you've been following along, hope you've enjoyed the video so far and some of these footages that we've been sharing with you guys. So another thing that we've been focusing on this trip is to keep things very simple, very practical, and be able to unload and load up our gear. We've been doing this now for maybe 2 years now, and we've done a lot of trial and error, and just what we've come down to now has been working out great. The way we set up camp last night was really efficient, very quickly, and this morning we had our breakfast and we were able to load up our things pretty easy compared to our previous experiences when we've gone out, especially with other vehicles and some of the equipment that we were using before.